What if I told you that adding big numbers can be become much faster with simple trick? Here is the secret. Any digits that add up to 9 can be crossed out instantly. This is called casting out nines. And by the end of this video, you will be finding digit sum in second. Let's start the lecture. This is lesson lesson 3, and lecture number is 3. Okay, on digit sum. In this lecture, we will enhance our learning about this sum using casting outline. Okay, in this process, we will learn this matter using various examples, and we will solve these examples one by one. Okay, first first example. This example tells us the first we have to solve this example. Example is 24701. First, you have to read this heading. What this question want to say to us? Okay, find digit sum by using casting outline. We have to find digit sum using casting outline 9. Okay, the first example 24701. We have to write is here 24701. Okay, this is number, and we have to find digit sum of this number by using casting out 9. So in this method, here there is no 9. In the previous lecture, we have ignored 9 if appeared in the digits of the number, but here is here is no 9. Here are no 9s. Okay, so what will we do? Then we will do new advanced thing about this method. If 9 is not available to casting out, so then we will find now 9 by adding digits. If some digits, when we will add them, and we will get 9, so then we will ignore those digits. Okay, so here is 24701. We have to find from these digits whose digits which make which makes 9 by adding. Okay, we have to find out. Here is 2. What number we have to add in this 2 to give 9? Okay, which number we have to add? We know 7. When we add 7 in this number 2, 2 plus 7, we get 9, and that's why this 2 or 7 will be casting out. Okay, so then, so we have to add, but so we have to find for this 2, is 7 available in this number? So we will check. Okay, here is 4, here is 7. So we find 7 for 2 or 7, and so notice that 2 or 7 are those numbers. Okay, those numbers, when we add these numbers 2 or 7, we get 9 by adding. Okay, so then we get 9. So that's why we have to casting out these two numbers. Okay, any other numbers, uh, any other numbers is remaining, which is making 9, which are making 9. Okay, so here is remaining 401. When we add 4 plus 0 plus 1, so we get 4 plus 0, 4. Again 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, we will get 5. Here is no 5. Okay, then what will we do? We will casting out. Okay, uh, which numbers? Those numbers which makes 9 by adding. Okay, then here is 2 and 7. Okay, these numbers are those digits, those figures which makes 9 when we add these numbers. Okay, it's equal to 9. So that's why we have to casting out these numbers, and the remaining numbers are 4, 0, 1. So we have to add up these numbers. Okay, so now we will add up these numbers, 4 plus 0 plus 1, and we will get, okay, we will get 4 plus 0. What will be the answer? 4 plus 0 is equal to 4, plus again remaining number is 1, so we have to add in this 4 is 1. So the 1 is added in this 4, then 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So the just sum of this number will be 5. Okay, then you can find any numbers. If 9 is not available in this number, so then we will find those digits, those figures, yeah, those which makes 9 by adding, and and add, and we will add those number, those remaining digits, which hmm, hmm, on adding those remaining digits we get digit sum. Okay, if that digit sum will be of two figures or two digits, so then, okay, then we will apply again this sum, okay, this matter, until we get one figure number. Okay, this is, you have, I think you have understand this matter very well, and we will understand this matter by next example. Okay, here is example 21035. Okay, here are number 2 2 1 0 3 5. Okay, this number, and in this number two digits are, okay, in this number digits are, means figures are 2, okay, 1 0 3 and 5. Okay, here are these digits. Is 9, is 9 available in these digits? Okay, so when we see, when we take a look on these digits, okay, on these figures, so we get, if there is no 9 available, okay, in these figures, okay, in these digits, then what will we do? So then we will find those numbers, those digits, okay, those figures which makes 9 by adding, okay, by adding up. So then for 2, what will be, adding in 2 to make 9? So which will be 7, you think? If we add, what will add in this 2 to make 9? It will be 7, you know. Okay, so the 7, so 7 is not available in this number. Okay, again, what will we do? We will do again next. Here is the, we will skip this number 1. So if you notice in this number, they, some digits are available for making 9 by adding up. So here are 1 3 5. Okay, if you notice 1 3 5, these digits are available for making 5 by adding up. So 1 3 5. Okay, so when we will add these numbers, okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5, so what will we get? What we will get? 1 plus 3 is equal to 4, and plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Okay, and here, so we will add 1 plus 3 plus 5. Okay, so when we add 1 plus 3 plus 5, okay, 1 plus 3 plus 5, so then we will get 1 plus 3 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So we will get 9. Okay, so then these digits are available for making 9 by adding up. So then that's why we have to ignore, we have to skip these digits. Okay, Hmm. Then we will ignore these digits. Okay, these figures. Then remaining will be add up, remaining will be adding up. Okay, so then we will adding up the digits. Okay, the remainings are 2 and 0. So we have to add these numbers. You can add these in mind and you will get answer 2. So for the visual representation, we will add these numbers. 2 plus 0, we will get 2 plus 0, what will be the answer? 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay? 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. Okay, 2. So the answer of this question on when on finding this sum by using casting out 9, so the digit sum of this number will be 2. Okay, and again, I I probably I I am sure you have understand this method uh, is, mm, seriously and means very well. So then we have to move on the next example to understand this method. Okay, and this example contain a big number. So this will help a lot in understanding this method. Then what will we do? Okay, then we have to move this again about next example. The example is here is 9821736. Okay, so we have to write this number in separate place. 9821736. So this is number, and we have to first we have to find 9. So here is one 9 is available. So then we have to casting out this number. Okay, this 9 we have to casting out this 9. We have to cast out. So then what will we do? So then we have to cast out 9 again, and and accept this 9. There is no 9 available in this number. So then we have to find those numbers which are adding up to 9. Okay, we have to find those numbers. Then if for the we will see here is 8. For making 8 9, we have to add 1. So is 1 available on this number? Yes, here is 8 and 1. 8 and 1 will be 9, on adding. Okay, so we have to add this number. 8 plus 1 is equal to, what will be the answer? 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 9. Okay, so then we have to casting out these 8 and 1. So then we will cast out these numbers. Okay, by red color. Okay, and we have to check another set of those numbers uh, which are which are getting 9 on adding up. So then here is 2. Okay, what will we do about this 2? So for 2 in making 9, what we will add up in this 2? So to make 9 this 2, we have to add up 9 7. Is 7 available in this number? Yes, 7 is available in this number. So here 2 and 7, we have to add these numbers. When we add these numbers 2 and 7, so then we will get 9. So then there is no need in writing these numbers, in these adding up numbers. So we have to directly casting out. Okay, we have to directly. Okay, so then we will casting out these numbers. Okay, again remaining numbers are 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 will be 9. Okay, 3 plus 6 will be 9, and we will casting out these numbers also. And you have to know that if last except these digits, there is no numbers are remaining in this there is no figures are remaining in this number. Okay, only these figures are available. So you can say, okay, you can say the digit sum of this number will be, when we add these number, we will get 9. And also you can casting out, you have choice, and those answers will be correct. These both answer will be correct. Okay, when we will add these numbers 3 plus 6, okay, 3 plus 6 will be 9, okay, so 9, so 9 also will be answer, okay. Here I am writing this answer 9, okay. This is sum of this number will be 9. Another answer will be here, okay. If you wanted to cast out, you know, okay, when we add numbers, when we add up numbers, figures, okay, in any numbers, then on finding this sum of those numbers, no, of that number, we will cast out, okay, we will cast out that figures. So then you have option to, then you can cast out that these figures also, okay. So here there is no figure available, there is no digits available, okay. So that's why this is some, this is some of this number will will be zero also, okay, will also be zero. So then zero will be, zero is another answer which will be correct also, okay. And we have understand these method, okay. So I have some practice question on finding. मतलब you you have to practice these questions to make your mind sharp and usually and make your mind strong, okay. You have to practice these examples and find out the sum of these numbers using casting out 9. If 9 is not available any number, so then you have to find those digits, those figures which makes 9 by adding up, okay. So you have to solve these. It is it is compulsory on solving these numbers, okay. This will help in improving your calculation speed, okay. Okay, then I have to, now you know the casting out 9 trick. Just remove any digits that add up to 9, then add the remaining digits until you get a single digit. It's quick, simple, and perfect for mental math. If you find this trick useful, like the video and share it with a friend, and subscribe for more easy math shortcuts. Thank you.